Good morning, Legion. A big week in AI, from provider shakeups to new models and also a major security incident. First up, Anthropic announced that starting April 5th, Claude subscriptions will no longer cover usage through third-party tools like OpenClaw. API access still works, but subscription users now need to buy additional user packages or use an API key. As Boris Cherny put it, our subscriptions weren't built for the usage patterns of these third-party tools. OpenClaw's creator, Peter Steinberger, called the move sad for the ecosystem. The core problem is that agent systems running nonstop break flat rate subscription math, and Anthropic handles the bulk of OpenClaw traffic because most developers are building on Claude right now. Next, OpenAI released GPT-Image-2, their new image generation model. Early tests show significantly improved text rendering and world knowledge compared to previous models. We'll be on the lookout to see how this improves over time and if it catches on. And last but not least, a quick ecosystem update on the Drift protocol exploit. Drift published a full incident report. This was a 6-month social engineering operation by a group posing as a quant trading firm. How sophisticated. They met Drift contributors at conferences, deposited over $1 million of their own capital, and eventually shared a malicious code repository. One contributor opened it in VS Code, which silently executed code through a known vulnerability. On April 1st, roughly $285 million was drained. The operation is linked with medium-high confidence to a North Korean state-affiliated group behind the Radiant Capital hack. Agents are moving into real financial workflows, and both the tooling and the attack surfaces are scaling with them. We'll keep tracking it all right here in the Near Legion.